dear students. In this video today I'm going to teach you a, an and the in English. Well, a and an goes with one noun, one thing or one object. For example, we don't normally say teacher, we say a teacher. A teacher means any teacher in general. For example, you say Elena is a teacher. Saying Elena is teacher is wrong. You don't normally say that. This in my hands is a wiper. This is a wiper. A wiper is any wiper, not just this one. But if I say, I'm pointing, I say this is a wiper, not this is wiper. Okay? This is wiper is wrong. A wiper. What do I have on my table? That is a mobile. That is a mobile. A mobile is any mobile in the world. But if I'm pointing, I say that on the table is a mobile. That is a mobile, not that is mobile. That is mobile is wrong. We use an, not a, with a word, noun word, starting with A, E, I, O. For example, Elena is a teacher, but Nina is an engineer. We have an engineer because it is starting with E, an engineer. Good. We don't normally say Nina is engineer. That's incorrect. Good. That is an oven. An oven. This in my hand. In my hands is a picture of an oven. Well, so this is an oven. We don't say this is oven, okay? It's normal for us to say an oven, not just oven. Good. We use the with one thing or more than one things. One thing or more than one things when they are specific, okay? They're specific. We know what or who we are talking about. Elena is a teacher. If we want to say something more about this teacher, Elena, we say the teacher is strict. The teacher means this particular teacher is strict. Okay? Good. Or somebody says, look at the teacher. Look at the teacher. The teacher. This particular teacher. Me, in this case. Good. So, we don't normally put an in front of words for quality. Right. This is a wiper. Look at its color. It is blue, right? We don't normally say it's blue. Well, this is a wiper and the wiper is blue. Not all wipers in the world are blue, right? But this one is blue, the wiper. The wiper I'm holding in my hands is blue. Good. Well, this is a mobile, right? What do you think? Is it old or it is new? The mobile is old. The mobile, I mean this mobile in my hands, the mobile is old and broken, as you can see. Well, when we have a noun starting with A, E, I, O, we pronounce the D. For example, we don't normally say the apple, we say the apple, right? Nina is an engineer. The engineer is in Serbia now, right? The engineer is in Serbia. And speaking about this oven here, I say, this is an oven, look, this is an oven. And when I say something more about this oven, I use the. The oven is new. This is because oven starts with O, and O is a vowel, right? So the is the with vowels. Now let me wipe up this out with my wiper. Well, what do we put in front of things starting with the letter U? U, as you know from the previous lesson, has two versions of pronunciation. If it is U, as in university, we consider it a consonant. This consonant sound, U, a university. And we say the university. Well, uniform. A uniform. When U is pronounced as the short of, as in an umbrella, we use since we consider a as a vowel sound. An umbrella or an uncle. And the umbrella, the uncle, if we are talking about a specific umbrella or a specific uncle. Now what I want to do is to write some sentences, so thus I will enable you to put a, an or the. You have to choose, okay? You have to choose between a, an and the indefinite or the definite article in English. I'm going to clean the whiteboard again. And I'm going to put down a few sentences. Where you have to choose between the indefinite article, any teacher, a teacher, any teacher, or this teacher. Right. Good. Sorry, not this one. I'm going to give you another example. first sentence. This is the second one, number 2. I hope all of you can see the board, the whiteboard. A book, right? A student's book in this case. So this is third book. A desk. You see? A desk. This is a desk. But the book is on blank desk. And the final one. Here you have some prepositions, okay? For example, the book is on the chair, on the chair. Or the book is here on the counter, on my hand, in my hand actually, on my palm. And we have for and about. This book is for me. It's for me. But it is about, what do you think is it about? It is about English, because this is an English book. It is for me and about English. So let's think together over the sentences. The very first one, of course, Oxford is a big city, but it is also a university. There is also a university in the city. Well, Oxford is... What do you think I shall put here? Shall I leave it like this, just Oxford is university? It doesn't make sense. Well, it will make sense if I put Oxford is a university, right? Oxford is a university. And in the second one, number 2, university is in England. Which university? The one I was talking about above, in the sentence above. The university, I mean Oxford University, this university or the university is in England. Good. What do you think about number 3? This is book. Of course. mention it. This is a book. On desk. Well, a desk is something where I put all my stuff, you know, my bag, my books, even my mobile. This is a book. And where's the book? Right, the book is on the desk. When we know which book we are talking about, we know which desk it is on. Okay? The book is on the desk. A letter. A letter. Is usually put in an envelope. And what comes out of the envelope is a letter. A letter. Letter is for Maria. If we know who the letter is for, it is obviously a specific letter here, and we name the specific letters, we name the specific things, with the letter is for Maria, as if we are saying this letter is for Maria, handing it to her. Book is about football. Well, this book is about English. I don't normally have books about football here, but it could have been another book. And what is the book about? The book is about football. Yeah. I hope you enjoy football and you have enjoyed today's video. See you with our next lesson. Bye. Have a nice day.